So what accounts, in your view, for the Biden's low poll numbers? They've never risen above sea level.
Yeah, so it is, obviously there's this contradiction between the record on paper, all the stuff that he's accomplished against the odds, and the approval rating. And first, just a little perspective, which is that at this point in his presidency, Ronald Reagan was at 33%, Biden's at about 42%. So there's that. And I also think that approval ratings are not what they used to be. I think that we are in such a polarized time that we may never see a president, or it may be a very long time before we see another president who cracks 50% in the approval ratings. I just think that's almost mission impossible, given how bitterly divided the country is.